Welcome to Udaipur, the city of lakes. Let's get started. Number 1. The Udaipur Ropeway. The Udaipur Ropeway is essentially a giant cable car system that connects a park in Dutlai to Macha Hilltop. The area around the ropeway offers some great experiences, such as the chance to take a picture in traditional Rajastani attire, great views of the city, and, for the bravest, fire pan, a traditional Indian snack with a fiery twist. Number 2. Karnimata Temple. The Karnimata Temple is easily accessible via the Udaipur Ropeway or is accessible via walking. Besides being a beautiful temple, it also offers beautiful views of the city and of nearby Lake Pichola. Number 3. City Palace. Certainly the crown jewel of Udaipur, City Palace is home to some of the most magnificent architecture in India. It also houses historical artifacts from when kings lived in the palace doors, and some picturesque views. The palace also offers a crystal gallery, boating on nearby Lake Pichola, and a nightly light and sound show. Number 4. Sajjangarh Palace. Also called the Monsoon Palace, Sajjangarh Palace was the king's home during the monsoon season. It is home to grand architecture and historical facts about the kings of Udaipur. It also holds stoic views of the Aravalli Mountains, the oldest mountain range in the world. Other Udaipur monuments are also viewable from the city palace. Fateh Sagar Lake and Lake Pichola are both viewable from the palace. The Monsoon Palace is also surrounded by a biological reserve, home to many species of both animal and botanical life. Here you can follow the Maharana Pratap Nature Trail to hope to catch a glimpse of some of these animals. Number 5. Boating on Fateh Sagar Lake. As a nice cool down in the middle of the day, boating on Fateh Sagar Lake can be a nice, chill addition to your trip. The trip provides nice views of the surrounding hills, as well as a nearby approach on Nehru Gardens, which is at the center of the lake. The entire trip is also accompanied by live Rajistani music. And finally, a bonus, a traditional Rajastani show. Come to Lok Kala Mandal to watch a beautiful traditional Rajastani show. The show features Kathputli, traditional Rajastani puppetry. This involves a string marionette that is controlled by a single string passed up from the top of the puppet to the puppeteers. One of the most famous performing arts in Rajasthan, this is a must-see. The show also features traditional Rajastani folk dances, some of which are featured in these videos here. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep exploring.